Hey guys, today we're doing some shark bite as requested by me. Yeah, that's it. Just by me. Okay, let's see. Who is the shark? Oh, phew! Okay, let's go to my boat. Oh. We are on the duck about, the duck about, do the duck about, the duck about, do the duck about. I wish I can zoom into that. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Because, usually when I go on boats, it usually always fails and it tips over. But let's hope it doesn't. Okay, phew. Yep, I have started the video. Everyone make sure to turn on post notifications right after you subscribe, which you should. And if you don't, I'll be sad. Haha. Hey peeps. Yeah. She's mostly always in my vids. Oops, my. Wait, guys, AFK, I need to go get milk. You guys should know her by now. Isabel, take over the camera. Hi guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to go get some milk. Okay. Alright, I'm back. Solo. Guys, tell me in the comments if she treated you guys well. Did you? Oh, yeah, I saw when I came. I almost did not join her team. Well, did you? Already in the boat. Phew. Guys, this is probably really bad graphics for you. But for me, it's good. But it might be bad. You never know. Woo! Dun 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 dun. Wait, there's 2 sharks? Wait. Oh, I thought there was 2 sharks. Phew. I feel tall on this boat for some reason. Oh yeah. It's probably my bunny ears or because I changed the scale. Go! Go! I feel like the rain moon's gonna come. Okay. Someone just sadly just watching everyone on a wooden boat. That's sad. Okay, let's get out the gun. I don't even know how to do this. I mean, I do, but I don't, but I do. I have 10 ammo. 10. I take arm. I love milk. Save the people! In the water. Oh. Just go! Just go! Just go! Sorry, people. I'm just so stressed. Oh wait, no, not that I'm supposed to stressed. People, everyone, and Isabel, and wait, Ariel, or whatever. Okay, comment down below what you're doing for spring break. Everyone, please comment. It's getting boring without comments. Why is she backing up? Oh no! No! Oh phew. Alright. OG duck. LMG duck. Girl, help the peeps. Shark! Other way! Other way! Go, 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 go! Oh, no! I told you this always happens. Oh no. I don't want to drown. I thought the shark health was my health for a second. We only have a few seconds left. Come on. No! Yeah. Sure. I don't even know what he's doing. Is he teaming because I'm a YouTuber? And she is too? I'm just wondering. I wish I think her name's Ariel. I wish Ariel can record Roblox with too. Sorry. No, don't go. Wait, what the? Go! Oh, that's it. Whatever. Come on. Oh, GI. That's a duck. There's a duck in my backyard. Tell in the comments if there's a duck in my backyard is true or not. And if you're right, you get a shout out from me in the next video. And if you have a Roblox username, I might like friend request you or something. I don't know. Something special. Oh! Oh! We are still the right way. Oh no! Come on! Get on! Oh my gosh! No! Stop switching places! Oh no! No! Stop! I think I had a lot of voice cracks. That was a lot of voice cracks. But still. That was nuts. I have to say that. Everyone subscribe to Emma Games. Oh. Oh, she dropped you. That's mean. Oh no. Are you sure? Are you sure? Because we might bump and flip over and, all that good stuff. Oh! Ooh. Oh yeah. She did say that. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video. I don't want too much storage. So yeah. Hello, bye.